Come on student, let's solve this basic proportionality theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect triangle, this is to intersect other two sides at distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Let's divide it piece by piece. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, so let's take a triangle and let's call it A, B, C. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, so let's take BC, and with BC we are drawing a line parallel to BC which intersects other two sides at two distinct points, two different points. So one is D, one is E. So up to here we have done already. See, in words it is looking like a very big thing, but in actual figure it is very easy thing. The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. That is what we have to show. So let's see what is given. Given is, they have given in triangle ABC, they have given a triangle ABC, and they asked us to draw a line parallel to third side. So DE we are drawing parallel to third side. What is that? BC. Parallel to BC we have drawn at the side DE which intersects AB at D. AB को कहाँ कट कर रही है? D के पास, and AC at E. Two distinct points, two different points, no? So this is what is given, and what they are asking us to prove. TP, show that the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Means this D is cutting this AB, dividing this AB into two parts, and E is dividing this AC into two parts. So they are asking us to prove the parts that are formed AD by DB, when we take the ratio, the ratios are same. Since these two are parallel, this ratio will be same. This is what we are supposed to prove. To prove this, always we need some constructions, some extra ornaments. So let's take some constructions. What do? Simply we create so many triangles by joining BE and DC. We are creating some triangles. So join DC, BE to form two triangles, so that the two triangles are formed. And here this theorem is mainly proved using area theorem. What is the formula for area of triangle? Half into base into height. So we need height here. Bases we already have. Heights we need. So let's draw some EF and DN. Yeah, MN let us write. EM and DN. Draw EM perpendicular to AB. Let us draw this, and similarly DN perpendicular to entire side AC. When it is perpendicular to entire side, okay, it is perpendicular to the small side AE also, EC also. So we can write here DN is perpendicular to AE and DN is perpendicular to EC also. Similarly, when EM is perpendicular to AB, AD also, DB also it is perpendicular. So EM is perpendicular to AD also, EM is perpendicular to DB also. So this is what we can write. Now let's go to the very important problem, that is proof. So this is for our understanding only. You need not write these lines. This is just for our understanding. Now our main strategy is to take the ratio of areas. We will take the ratio of areas of this triangle. Now we compare this DBE triangle. So we take area of triangle DBE and area of this whole part ABAD. Similarly, from this side ECD. So we are taking area of triangle ECD and the above part, whole part. That is the beauty, that we are taking one thing directly common. AD, here also we are taking this upar ka part, upar ka jo part hai, as it is we are taking on both sides. But from this side we are taking this triangle, and from this side we are taking this triangle. Now we have to simply we are not taking triangle, we are taking area of, we have to find out their area. Half into base. When you are taking DBE, what is the base? DB into height. DB के परपेंडिकुलर में क्या बोला हमने? EM. Similarly, triangle ADE, let us see later. Now ECD or EDC, whatever it is, what is the base? Half into EC into EC का परपेंडिकुलर में क्या है? DN. Similarly, नो ए डी ई, इसमें बेस ये वाला ले लेते, हाफ इंटू ए डी इंटू हाइट क्या है, ए डी का परपेंडिकुलर में क्या है, ई एम. Similarly here half into same triangle, but we are taking area from this side. We are calculating area from this side, that is half into base we are taking as AE into AE के perpendicular में कौन सा है, DN. So half into base into height. So writing these 4 lines is key for proof. अगर ये 4 लाइन आपने लिख दिया आपका proof खत्म. Let us take this ratio. Now area of triangle DBE by, now let us take a reverse direction. First area of triangle, instead of DBE, first take area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE. So what do we get, ADE half into AD into EM by here half into dB into EM. So they both got cut and we got AD by dB. And similarly here if you take area of triangle ADE by area of triangle ECD, half into EC into DN by half into AE into DN. Now half DN cut. So what we can write, sorry, we have taken it in the reverse direction. See half into AE into DN by, क्योंकि ADE ऊपर था ना, AE by EC. So what do we get, AE by EC. I hope you understood this. Since we have taken in the reverse direction, we have to take this also reverse. So these two got cut and we are left out with AE by EC. Now we know that area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE is equal to AD by DB. Similarly here we have area of triangle ADE by area of triangle ECD is equal to AE by EC. So what we are supposed to, we have started that we have to prove this. ये हमारा टारगेट है और ये टारगेट लेफ्ट साइड इसको इक्वल है AD by DB एंड राइट साइड AE by EC इसको इक्वल है. तो अभी हमको कुछ ना कुछ करके, now what is our immediate target is, you have to do something and you have to prove that this left hand sides are equal. अगर ये दोनों इक्वल प्रूव करेंगे तो ये दोनों ऑटोमेटिकली इक्वल हो जाएगा. ये दोनों इक्वल करने के लिए चलो सोचते, इधर ऊपर क्या है, एरिया ऑफ ADE, इधर भी ADE. ओके, न्यूमरेटर्स आर सेम, ओनली थिंग इज वी हैव टू प्रूव डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम, दैट इज DBE एंड ECD. चलिए एक बार ये दोनों ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, DBE एंड ECD. जब ऑब्जर्व करेंगे दोनों का कॉमन में ये साइड है, दोनों ट्रायंगल सेम बेस के ऊपर है और सेम पैरेलल लाइंस के बीच में है. DEBC पैरेलल लाइंस के बीच में है और सेम बेस के ऊपर है. 9th स्टैंडर्ड वी हैव लर्नड two triangles on same base and same parallel lines have same areas. So that way we can write DBE is equal to ACD. Then this LHS become equal, automatically RHS becomes equal. So it is time we have to explain it. The same thing we have to explain. Now let us explain that with this picture. Triangle DBE and triangle DECD or whatever you write name lie on same base. What is that same base? D. दोनों में DE कॉमन है, so same base के ऊपर है and between same parallel lines. What are the same parallel lines? What are the same parallel lines? DE is parallel to BC. So these two triangles are lying on same base and between same parallel lines, therefore their areas are equal. That is area of triangle DBE is equal to area of triangle CDE. Therefore क्या होता है, इसको 1 मान लेते हैं, इसको 2 मान लेते हैं. Now 1 and 2 become 1 and 2 LHS becomes equal automatically. Therefore we can write AD by DB RHS भी equal हो जाएगा is equal to AE by EC. So this is how we prove. ये प्रूव करने से हमारा थ्योरम खत्म. So ऐसे हमने प्रूव कर दिया है. All the best.